All right, I'm making this as realistic as possible. I have no makeup on, so here we go. This is actually really easy, and it's a little tricky right at the beginning to get the hang of it, but it's really not that big a deal. So you take a section of hair, like 2 or 3 inches. I like to use a little bit of texture spray. It just helps the curl hold longer. So let me be a beauty blogger. This is L'Oreal Text It Tousle Wave Spray. I'll link it below. Anyway, so I put a little bit of that on it, and then I curl the hair underneath. There are a few ways that you can do this. So if you're looking for kind of a salon style blowout, you curl your hair just straight under like I just did. You can also take the curling iron, and I'll show you in just a second, and use the barrel closed and curl. There's Mac back there making some noises. You can curl your hair around the barrel of the curling iron, and then you pin it in a different direction, and that gives you those like loose kind of Victoria's Secret waves. So this is how you do it. Obviously the hair is curled. So you grab one of your little duck clips. I take 2 fingers and I just wrap the hair around those fingers all the way so you can see that the ends of the hair are also being wrapped under. That's really important. Take your fingers out. There's your curl. And you just roll the curl a little bit closer to your scalp. Then you take your pin, make sure that the curve is toward your head, right? So it's like this. You open it, you stick it straight through so that it's clipped through the curl and to your hair to hold it. And that's it. The reason that you want to keep the pin this way is because if you turn it that way by accident and you stick it through your hair, you're going to end up with a big kink because your hair is going to form to the shape the wrong way instead of that way, which is going with the curl. So the other thing that I was talking about, curling your hair around the barrel of the curling iron, is super simple. So I'm not going to go all the way through this one because I'm not doing this to my hair today and I don't want one side to look weird. But you would just put that texture spray around it and you would take it around the barrel of the curling iron like that. And then you would let it heat up just like the other one. And then you let it fall and you do exactly the same thing. You wrap it around a finger in the direction that you just curled it all the way through the ends. And instead of curling it under, you curl it up, right? So you hold it, instead of holding it in this curl shape, you would curl it up so that the openings of the curl are vertical. And then you would do the same thing. You take your pin with the curve close to your scalp and you just pin it straight up through there like that. And that is going to give you, I mean, you can already see, like, that's going to give you those kinds of curls. So let me brush that out a little bit. But it's super simple. You do it all the way around your head. I'll go ahead and do another one just so that you have another example. Go all the way under. And the thing about this that's kind of great is that you really can play with the size of the curl. You don't even have to have a specific barrel curling iron. It's all about how you wrap the curl towards your head. This is a tank top, by the way, no one freak out. So let's say that you had a really, really tight barrel curling iron, like a 1/2 inch barrel. It doesn't really matter if the curling iron is a small barrel because you can actually control how big the curl is based on how large the opening is when you pin it to your head. So for example, if I wanted really, really tight curls, then I could just use 1 finger, wrap all of that hair around, hold it, wiggle my finger out and pin it like that. I'm looking for a little bit more of like a blowout style rather than like super curlicue. So I'm gonna go back and use 2 fingers instead of 1. But do you see how the curl is coming up over the top? And I'm going all the way to the ends before I take my fingers out. That's gonna ensure that you don't end up with like, you know, 1 inch of hair at the bottom that's not curled the way that you want it. So anyway, the idea is just that you heat up your hair and then you choose what size curl you want by the size that's, you know, the opening in the curl. And then you let it cool completely like that. And then when you take your hair down, you have pretty curls. And it stays forever. So hopefully this has been helpful. Really didn't mean for this video to be 5 minutes long. Max says bye. I say bye too.